been out of the shop for a few days. This is part of the reason right here. The other part involved large margaritas at a Mexican restaurant, and that took a few days to recuperate. But Facebook Marketplace yesterday, this thing just came up. It will be the reason I can no longer criticize boring work from a machine shop. When I say boring, I don't mean, boring. I mean cylinder boring. Know little about this. I did a little research. I do know on eBay, this particular model was going for about $4,000. I ended up getting this and the tooling and a bracket to hold up a V8 or inline engine, everything for $1,500. It works. Best of my knowledge, I just ordered instructions for it. The only thing that I can really see wrong with it is the diamond material is gone for chewing up the bits. There's a little bracket that goes in there and cuts your angles. And the on-off mechanism, or the auto on-off, is out of its groove. And this shaft that goes up and down is a little tight. So like I said, I ordered instructions. I'm not going to tear into this until I get them, but yes, everything works as it should. I can go up here with the cat paw. The cat paws are going in and out the way they should. And the auto feed is working the way it should. This particular model is the S, which is a 2-speed. And for as old as it is, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Looks like he did some work, or the guy I got it from did some work up in here. I do feel a little roughness when I do move the cat paws in and out, but it is not bad in any way. The spindle head is tight. I have full travel with the bar. There you go. Part of the reason I haven't been around. Oh, and I had some light switches that broke in the house, and I had to put the doorbell back up from when I painted the house 2 years ago. I'm not going to bore anybody with that stuff. Tomorrow I'm going to get back on the Nash. As much as I don't want to, I am.